About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, if there's one thing that I wanted to do on this trip, I told myself that I was gonna go on at least one hike with the boys. So right now we are at where are we at? The Diamond Head trail, Crater Trail. And so we are about to head up. I have Jameson, who is asleep. Lily has, Lily's my sister Daniel, who's back there. But yeah, Jameson is knocked out in here. It's exciting. You guys ready?
I'm tired.
Yeah.
All right. But it's just going good. Huh? Because that hiking is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time. If you need a break, take a break. If you want to quit, doesn't mean you really want to quit. It just means you need to take a break. Okay? As long as you make it up the mountain, you're successful. Okay? Everybody's different. Everybody goes at their own pace. I see you at the top.
Well, where's my place?
Now you're gonna be way ahead of us. So look, you go.
Oh. Jesus. Listen, now we just started and my thighs is already burning. Jameson, he ain't no little light one, man.
He's eating size and half her age.
And it was at this moment that she realized that she effed up. Because we ain't made it, not nowhere. And I am exhausted. Jameson is still asleep, but Jesus. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I wanted to do this so bad. But I'm tired. And my hips are killing me. Jameson is like 16 pounds. And Jesus, he is not light. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up. Whew. I got this. First hike post-pregnancy. I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna finish.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
And a little bit more. Okay, we finally reached it to the stairs. Just take the wheel. I am exhausted. Jameson is just about fed up and done with this hike. He is like fussing. Oh, let me get the, okay, maybe that's why. Okay. Okay. Hold that. Okay, let me. Okay.
Is it getting you?
Okay. I know it's hot. I know. Okay. Shh. Okay, I know. Mama knows. Oh, Jesus, we gotta hurry up and finish this because he is not about to stand up with this for no more. Let's go ahead and get you snapped back in. Mama's gonna braid the stairs, okay? Let's get to the top and I can take you out. I know. Okay, we made it to the tunnel. Oh my goodness. Yo, I am so tired. I'm so tired. My thighs burn. My legs hurt. I'm sweaty. Jameson's angry. I'm regretting this decision. Girl, I can't feel my legs.
I thought I was
I can't feel my legs.
And there's more.
Oh, it's so pretty though.
Are you the only one?
So pretty. Talia's behind me. Tila and Roger are behind them. Up.
I literally thought.
Oh my gosh. He's waking up on yes. He's so angry. He's so mad. Okay. I gotta keep going. I gotta keep going. I gotta go. I'll see you later.
She's got a baby.
Oh my gosh. Nye, look at the view.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful. And there's a parking lot where we came from.
For real. Dang, we did some work.
No.
I see death. No. Y'all ready? But this view.
It's gotta go slow.
Just a look out there, or is there more
It's
over
just a
there?
look.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
Okay, we gotta pause. We got it.
Yes, we can do it.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
And they're little heaters.
Yeah. I can't imagine that heat.
The view. Good job, Bree.
Okay, Jameson, I'm sorry.
The view. Good job, Lee.
Okay. Here, take this. He's hungry. We gotta get to the top so I can feed him.
Did you bring bottles?
Yeah, I brought a bottle. It's in my fanny pack. Oh. Come on, Papa. Mama's gonna push it.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Woo! You guys did it. Good job, Bree.
Ah, we made it! But he's hungry.
Good job, Lee.
Oh, wow.
Now let's see the view.
Do not ask me how. When me and Lee were the first ones up, and we are the first ones down the mountain. No, we really did that. Oh my goodness, boys, this so good. Jameson got a little fussy.
Daniel was knocked out the whole time.
Daniel was still asleep. But once we got to the top, Jameson ate, and now he is completely knocked out. So I'm gonna treat her to a pineapple drink because she was a trooper carrying Daniel. And so, yeah, we did it. We did it. Okay, we are now at the swap meet. After we left the hike, we went to the KCC farmers market and ate, got some garlic shrimp and stuff. And now we're at the swap meet. I don't have Jameson's hat, so he has to wear mine, and he is not happy about it at all. Okay, hold on, baby, hold this. Listen, it's too bright. Or and I take this from Daniel. I'm gonna buy you some shade because I just don't. They have it in pink. This is it.
Wow.
You want it in pink? You want to get pink? No.
I mean,
It's the only color, but it's the only color they have in a size 6 months. But they might have also in adult sizes. Let me see. Yeah, all of these I know are too big. Okay, so we really want to do family matching like Hawaiian sets because we're going on a catamaran tour and everybody's matching with their like spouses and families. But unfortunately, they have everything for little girls like usual and they have nothing for the boys. Absolutely nothing that matches like the whole family. And so we are searching high and low inside this place to try to find something that matches for all of us because we want to be a matching family too. Like we want our set, but they don't have anything for like little boy. Okay, let me look in here. Maybe, okay, I see some little people stuff inside of here. Let me see.
sorry about that.
Okay. Extra large, large. 6 months, okay, 6 months. Let's see what they, oh, they got a good little section. Oh, right here. There's some good little options. Okay. Oh, wait, this one's cute. Or in red. Oh, I want these ones. Baby, do you like blue or red?
Doesn't matter.
Okay, so they have dark blue, light blue, or red in the style that I like. But now that
Finds ours. Do you remember?
yeah, so we have to see if they even have these in Adam and I's. Honestly, we have to get whatever color they have 2 of. So they have 2 of these light blues. They have 2 in this color. And they have 2 in the dark blue. So light blue or dark blue?
Let's go with light.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna get these and hopefully they have them in Adam and I's size as well. Okay, so I found it in Adam's size, but they don't have it in my size, and so unfortunately we can't get it and we have to keep looking. That's okay, we're gonna find it. We're gonna find it. Okay, now here we go. They got options. They got options. Okay, but what's up? 12 months. What are they gonna do me like this? Oh wait, but there's some smaller. Okay, there's some smaller. I think starting here. Oh, look at this one. Okay, a little bit more. Ooh, I like that color. We have to have 2 of them. Baby, think I found it. All right, okay, give me a second. I'll bring some options. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with, let's see, these 2 as one option. It's super lightweight, so they won't be overheated. Oh, I wish I had another one in this color because this blue is super cute. Okay, hold on. Okay, they have this option, which is probably gonna say no to, so why even grab it? They have black. Well, black is pretty basic, but it's also kind of cute. The little black ones, so let me grab those as well. It really doesn't make sense like how hard it is to find outfits for little boys. Like not only here, but like anywhere, trying to find cute baby outfits. It's little boy outfits is so hard. Like everything they had here for the most part was all for little girls, minus like this one place that we had that actually had full family matching sets for boys and something for me and something for Adam. But we finally found it and it's cute and I'm happy and they're gonna look so adorable in it. And so yeah, you guys will see tomorrow exactly what we ended up finding. It's cute. Okay, we are back at the hotel now and I am mentally, physically, and emotionally exhausted. They have been a long day from hiking this morning, then going to the farmer's market, then going to the swap meet, and then we also went shopping. Today was just too much, I can't do it. Tomorrow's gonna be the same. Tomorrow we have bike riding in the morning, and then we're gonna go to, oh, we have a private catamaran ride, and so that's the plan for tomorrow. So tonight I need to try to get some sleep. Parents are gonna watch the boys, and I need some rest because I am, like I said, exhausted. So we will catch you guys in the morning when we get to doing what we're gonna do.
About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions.